Hi, I'm Richard, Customer Relationship Manager at DMARC, and this is a video to show you how quick and simple and effective Oscar is to use. I'm going to do this video in real time so you can see just how quickly you can get up to speed with it and make it part of your daily working life. So we start here in the home screen, and the first thing we need to do is set up a project where we're going to upload our PDF files to. So the middle icon at the bottom right hand corner here is the project file, create a new project. So we can go in here and we can call this one whatever we like. I'm just going to put a random name in there, Brian Clark, but this is an easy way to segregate your cases. And we can see there the project folder has appeared. So I'm going to select that. You can see that we haven't added any documents to it yet, and we can then click here to do so. We can go here, click on this icon, and what we're going to be able to do now is just drop whatever files we want to process into our project folder. So I'm just going to select these 6 bank statements. We can process them all simultaneously, so you don't have to do them one by one, and then we click confirm. What will then happen is the documents will upload into Oscar. They'll start to go through the OCR process, or optical character recognition process, and they'll be turned from the PDF, that image document, into a digital format. And you can see that as they start to process, a thumbnail of the document would appear, and there you have it. The 6 have run through in a matter of seconds, and we're ready to look at our digital result. So let's take a quick look at what one of those would look like in the tool itself. We open the results page, and you can see that what it's done is it's found the tables, it's found the financial data contained within those tables on the bank statement, and has extracted it and put it into this standard format. What we can then do is go back to our project. We go back here, and we can actually download that digital result as an Excel file so that you can then go in and use that for your analysis. Now, we can do that in a number of different ways. We can select them one by one, we can select multiple across the screen here, or we can do it from the project. So if you wanted all 6, you could just select the project and then click here to download bank statements, and that would download a zip file with all 6. If you want to do them one by one, or if you just wanted to download a selection, so if there was 3 that you specifically wanted as an Excel file, you can do it this way, or as I say, just select one. So we click there, we select bank statements to download, and you can see that instantly you've got this zip file, and we can open that up here, and there we have it. We've got the 3 that we selected are now as Excel files. So that's how quick, how simple, effective this is. You can then have, I see it's opening in the background, you can have the Excel file in a matter of minutes rather than manual data transfer across, and you can now get on with your job. You can now get on with the analysis. And here we have it, just as I'm finishing up, there's our fully formatted Excel file. So this is how quick, simple and effective Oscar is. If you're interested in knowing a little bit more, finding a little bit more about the other features that are available within Oscar, then why not get in touch? We're very happy to give you a free trial so that you can test it out for yourself and see just how much of an impact Oscar could have on your working life.